Heroes right here on ET Now. Here we are again at Prabhudas Lilladher. I am joined by Mr. Dilip Bhatt. He's also almost 30 years into the market, and this is a very interesting time to be chatting about market and covering this edition of Dealing Room Heroes. Dilip, thanks a lot for your time and
always
thanks a lot for hosting us. What are you making of the market right now?
Markets on a longer term basis still looks good. I think India is doing all the right kind of things. Maybe the reforms are something which is really going to drive the markets further up. But at the same time, one has to be cautious in the short run. That goes without saying. We are seeing too much of, not exactly frothiness, but yes, there is a lot of the markets. So one has to be, caution should be the watchword, at least in the short to medium term.
Business is quite healthy and robust because markets are picked up, and your own business start getting the faces who are behind the scenes in running your business well, healthy numbers. But seldom do they really come on the front and in the spotlight. And today we are here with this initiative of Dealing Room Heroes to really recognize those faces. How instrumental or how meaningful are this team, the Dealing Room Heroes, is for running the business? Because strategy, the top team makes. But these guys actually execute the strategy, deal with the clients. So how important are they?
First and foremost, I must say that the initiative taken by y'all is really very good. And I think that is what is really inspiring, because we are, as what you very rightly, for the third time. And I think everybody has seen how they have been awarded, rewarded in this particular program. And I think that also inspires a lot of people to do their best, especially at the times when the volumes have been so good. So I think some of these people are the ones who are our ambassadors and last mile, they have the last mile connectivity. And the kind of, they have to execute, they have to face the client, they have to take a reaction. So all in all, it's a very challenging and a very demanding task, which I think some of these people have done very well. So, and that's how they are over here at the moment.
Great. So let's call your first Dealing Room Hero then. So on that note, we'll wrap out of this edition of Dealing Room Heroes right here from Prabhudas Lilladher. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you, Dilip.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
My market funder is coming up with ideas with combination of technicals, news, derivatives, fundamentals for my clients. One big call that I took was after demonetization. I was quite positive for the markets, and I was confident that Nifty would reach around 9,200-400 levels.
It is indeed a very proud moment for me to being recognized as a Dealing Room Hero. As a dealer, my focus always remains on speed of execution and clear communication with my client. My source of inspiration has been our MD, Amisha Boraji, for her constant encouragement and blessings.
My market mantra is to recommend good stock backed by our research team and with the help of the technical analysis. My source of inspiration is our MD, Mr. Dilip Bhatt, who continuously pushes us to learn new things and perform better.
For me, market mantra is to buy quality stocks, and one has to have patience while entering the markets. and one has to believe in India's growth story. My source of inspiration is Mr. Warren Buffett. I really look up to him. I strongly believe in one of his ideology, that is, it's far better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price.